There's a subtle tension that can follow us through the day, a constant leaning forward, a quiet effort to make sure things turn out a certain way. That effort often goes unnoticed, but it shapes how the day feels. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote offers a gentle release from that pressure and points toward a more open way of meeting what unfolds. The day opens up when you stop trying to control the outcome. This quote reminds us that control narrows experience. When we fixate on how things should end, we miss what's actually happening along the way. Attention tightens, flexibility fades. The day becomes something to manage rather than something to participate in. Letting go of the outcome doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you stop gripping. When you release the need to steer everything, space appears, conversations flow more naturally, decisions feel lighter, unexpected possibilities have room to emerge. Control promises certainty, but it often delivers strain. Openness, on the other hand, invites presence. When you meet the day without insisting on a specific result, you allow it to show you what's possible instead of forcing it to meet expectations. Here's one simple way to work with this today. Notice one situation where you're focused on how it should turn out. Gently shift your attention to what's happening right now and respond from there. Carry that openness with you as the day unfolds. You don't need to direct every outcome to move forward wisely. Sometimes the day opens simply because you stop closing it down. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Openness creates possibility, and ease follows release. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.